Are you ready to elevate your photography game? Introducing the Kodak PixPro AZ528, a powerful bridge camera that brings pro-level features to your hands without breaking the bank. Whether you're a beginner looking to explore your creative side or a seasoned photographer searching for an all-in-one travel companion, this camera has got you covered. Let's dive into what makes the Kodak PixPro AZ528 a standout in its class. One of the first things you'll notice about the Kodak PixPro AZ528 is its incredible 52x optical zoom. From capturing wide-angle landscapes to detailed close-ups of distant objects, this camera ensures you never miss a moment. The 24mm wide-angle lens provides the perfect scope for stunning panoramas, making it ideal for both scenic shots and up-close wildlife photography. With such a powerful zoom, maintaining stability can be a challenge for most cameras, but not with the PixPro AZ528. Thanks to its optical image stabilization, shaky hands and unwanted blur are a thing of the past. Whether you're shooting on the go or using maximum zoom, this feature ensures your shots remain crisp and clear. Another standout feature is the 16-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, which allows you to shoot in various lighting conditions. Whether it's a brightly lit day or a dimly lit evening, the Kodak PixPro AZ528 excels in producing high-resolution images with minimal noise. This sensor works hand-in-hand with its ISO capabilities, giving you the freedom to shoot day or night. And speaking of night, the camera's low-light performance is truly impressive. It offers various scene modes, including night portrait and night landscape, allowing you to experiment with long exposures, cityscapes, and starry skies. The results? Absolutely stunning. Whether you're snapping portraits, landscapes, or action shots, the AZ528 delivers. And don't worry about missing that perfect moment. This camera offers continuous shooting at 6 frames per second, ensuring you catch every bit of the action, no matter how fast it's happening. The PixPro AZ528 isn't just about still images. If you're into video, this camera has you covered. Shoot high-definition 1080p Full HD videos and let the camera's easy-to-use features handle the rest. Plus, with its built-in stereo microphone, you'll get clear, high-quality audio with every shot. Whether it's a family vacation, a sports game, or a spontaneous day out with friends, the Kodak PixPro AZ528 captures it all with vibrant clarity and smooth video performance. And let's not forget the 3-inch LCD screen that makes framing and reviewing your shots easy and enjoyable. Speaking of ease, the camera's intuitive controls and user-friendly interface make it easy to navigate through the various settings. With 22 preset scene modes, you can simply point and shoot without worrying about complicated adjustments. From macro mode for those up-close details to sports mode for fast-moving subjects, the Kodak PixPro AZ528 is designed to adapt to your creative vision. And with a long-lasting battery, the PixPro AZ528 ensures you can keep shooting throughout the day without interruption. Don't worry about storage either. With support for SD cards, you'll have plenty of room for all your photos and videos. And when you're ready to share your masterpieces, the camera's built-in Wi-Fi lets you quickly transfer files to your smartphone or computer, making sharing your shots easier than ever. In conclusion, the Kodak PixPro AZ528 is the perfect choice for anyone looking to step up their photography game without the complexity or high cost of professional cameras. Whether you're a traveler, a hobbyist, or someone looking to capture life's special moments, this camera is designed to make it easy, fun, and rewarding. So, are you ready to start capturing memories with the Kodak PixPro AZ528? Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what features you're most excited to try out. Happy shooting!